Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Walmart Plus at Murphy, USA gas stations. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. So since the Walmart app isn't available in my country, I'm using the Walmart website instead. But if you have the Walmart app, it's actually the same process as the website, just a bit more convenient on mobile. So first, open your browser and go to walmart.com or the Walmart app on your phone. So make sure you log in with your Walmart Plus membership. So now, head to the account or services section and look for anything related to Walmart Pay, like this. At Murphy USA gas station, when you're at the pump, choose QR code as your payment method. Then just scan the code using your phone's camera or follow the instructions given on the pump using your Walmart account. And once that's done, your Walmart Plus benefits will be applied and your payment will go through easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching.